Let's try on live website how to hunt for command injection vulnerabilities. So as you know that I am a hunter of NL, so I'll try on this website, the projects.knmi.nl. So I will spider this because I need some parameters. So I'll spider this. Let's open bubsuit. Proxy intercept is on. I got some request. Right click, send to spider. Okay, now I'll find, see, these are the URLs having parameters, so I have to find which parameter is communicating with backend. So I already gave you few of the parameter list, you can try over there. So I think I already gave you, let's check. So other daemon, host, upload, directory, file, execute, download, log, IP, CLS, CMD. So I will use bubsuit search method. Daemon, no. Host, yeah, I got some host, but host maybe I want only request header. No, host is, it's giving me the headers, that's why. Let's search here file. Now I got some file. See, let's search for file. Okay, see, I got there is a file something. Let's right click, send this to repeater. Okay, it's a gateway, so I'll directly copy URL. Let's check, open a browser, let's open this. Okay, there is a nc dump command, nc dump space -h, and if I'll give any IP address, let's try to give any IP address there. So or nc dump space -h, let's try to eth0 maybe. So they are executing some command, nc dump space -h th0. Sometimes you won't get the commands, okay, which command they are executing. Now let's break this. I will do semicolon ls, it's working or not. So method not implemented, that means ls is not working, maybe they filtered ls. Let's try semicolon pwd. Okay, now we got data, pwd is working, so there is a command injection. Now if I'll do here id, so id is filtered also. Okay, you won't get the id details, the user details. You can use uname, so uname is also filtered, but they are executing some command. Let's check dir. See, their dir is working here. Okay, yes, so this is a vulnerability, command injection vulnerability there. Basically after delimiter you can try to execute any, let's try this set. See this, after delimiter you try to execute any of the system commands. Try to execute any Windows, Linux and Unix, any system commands to execute. If you get successful results of that command, then there is a command injection vulnerability, and I saw there is a Red Hat Linux GNU versions. So yes, and they are using nc dump space -h, and what you are giving, they are executing that. You can also check some other like cat, maybe cat slash etc slash password, cat space slash etc slash password. So maybe it's not working, they filtered this etc password data maybe, but we successfully got that there is a command injection vulnerability. So like that you have to try on any other parameters for this. I hope this is clear to you how I hunted command injections on these websites.